We're dividing 4 into 3,192. We're not going to divide 4 into this entire number at once. So let's start by dividing 4 into 31. 4 goes into 31 7 times. And notice that I wrote the 7 over the number 1, not over the number 3. The reason why I wrote 7 over the number 1 is because I divided into 31. So the answer goes above the last digit of the number I divided into. 4 goes into 31. 1 is the last digit of 31. So 7, our answer, goes above the 1. Okay? And now we must multiply. 4 times 7 is 28. And this is where we will write 28. And next we're going to subtract. 31 minus 28 is 3. And now we can bring down our next digit, which is 9. Okay? Because all digits must be used. So we're going to bring down the 9 and then divide again. 4 goes into 39 9 times, and then we'll multiply. 4 times 9 is 36. So it's the same steps over and over and over again. Now we will subtract. 39 minus 36 is 3. And we're ready to bring down the next digit, which is 2. Okay, so 2 goes here. And we can divide. 4 goes into 32 8 times. And then we'll multiply. 4 times 8 is 32. And then we'll subtract. 32 minus 32 is 0. And we're done. 3,192 divided by 4 is 798. And that was our last example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful math tutorials. Thank you guys.